the #1 cause of death worldwide, contributing to almost 1/3 of deaths. And what if we are in a position to predict the risk of heart attack? It's no more a what if statement, but it is a possibility. And there are examples where people are saved because of prior such intimations. And how is it possible? It's possible because of the positive impact of artificial intelligence in the area of healthcare. So in today's video, let's look at AI in healthcare. Artificial intelligence is expected to contribute additional 15.7 trillion to world economy by 2030. And its major contribution is coming from the area of healthcare. Now let's understand why and how this is happening. This is happening for a couple of reasons. First thing is immense amount of data which artificial intelligence needs is available with the healthcare industry. And the second thing is even this data is not a simple data. It has n number of attributes which is available, which currently we are not even analyzing thoroughly. But there is an opportunity for deep learning system and neural networks to actually use this opportunity and make a very positive impact which is still unexplored. So that's why it's a boom to this industry and on one side, if you are scared of artificial intelligence, we should be happy about this because this is directly impacting our human life. Time to look at some of the use cases. The first one that I want to touch upon is radiology. So all your X-ray, CT scan, MRI scans all comes under this. And today the problem is to analyze these information through conventional method takes almost 5 to 7 hours. Whereas using an AI application, it is possible within seconds. And one such application is voxel morph, which is developed by MIT researchers. The second one that I want to talk about is cardiology. You might have seen a lot of fitness freaks using the Fitbit, Garmin and Apple watches, and they use it for 24/7, which tracks their breathing rate, heart rate, blood pressure, sleep cycle and their activity rate. And using these and the AI algorithm, Apple watches can actually predict the risk of heart attack, and something similar can be done by other companies as well. So it's a great boom, and there has been a case where a person named as Scott Gillen was actually saved because he constantly got these alerts and he could take medical help. The next one I want to talk about is virtual nurses and pre-diagnosis. So this is the area where it's quite a support for all the doctors, because nowadays doctors are overwhelmed with the patients and they might tend to make some errors in the pre-diagnosis itself. So to avoid that, this gives them a good foundation about the patient, and the doctors can actually work on some specific scenarios itself. The next one is about the surgical robots. Now, surgical robots doesn't mean that robots are actually conducting surgeries, but surgical robots are the ones which are basically supporting doctors in providing advanced instruments, and also along with doctors very easily helping them during the surgeries as well. The other thing is they are able to actually zoom out the surgery area and provide those images for doctors to focus much better, and also helps at times in decision making. So it's more of a combination of robots and doctors doing that surgery. Last but not the least is in the area of medicine. So there are n number of compounds that using artificial intelligence is being discovered, and using this different combinations, new medicines are coming into market. So using these medicines, so if you are taking a medicine or you have been prescribed a medicine for entire year or for months, there might be some medicines which you have to take just 1 or 2 dose and to eliminate these kind of ailments. So in a nutshell, end to end, if you look how artificial intelligence is contributing in the area of healthcare, is a quite positive impact to the society that's happening through this. And this is one of the major area where artificial intelligence is contributing, and we can look the positive side of artificial intelligence through this. So if you are scared that AI will take us over and what will happen next and things like that, but then this is a positive story that is coming very soon. With that, me Sarika Hussain signing off. Have a good day.